All right, so this is question 74 on stoichiometry, and this one is something a little bit new because we're hearing about weight per volume here. The question says, how much CaCl2 solid is needed to make 10 ml of a 0.25% weight per volume solution? How much of the solid do you need to make this amount of the solution in weight per volume? All right, so first, what is CaCl2? Is it calcium chloride or is it calcium dichloride? Let me know in the comments. I want to know what you think about it. All right, so to solve this question, this is weight per volume. When you hear weight per volume, 0.25% weight per volume, it means you have 0.25 grams weight in 0.25 grams, I mean 0.25 grams of the solute in 100 ml of solution. That's what it means. That's what 0.25% weight per volume solution means. 0.25 grams of the solute in 100 ml of the solution. All right, so they said we want to make 10 ml, right? And we have 0.25 grams in 100 ml. That's why it's 0.25%. Now, if we want to make 10 ml of the solution, how much of the solid in grams, I believe, would be needed? So a simple proportion, right? It's quite easy, but don't get yourself confused. It's not that deep when you know what weight per volume means. Alright, so that's just that. So we solve that out and would have 0.025 grams, and that's the amount of CaCl2 that you would need to solve to get, this particular amount. Right, so this has been stoichiometry weight per volume related questions. There's also weight per weight, volume per volume, and we just play around with it. Okay, so that's our answer there. And once again, I said you should tell me what CaCl2 is. What is the name of CaCl2? Let me know in the comments, and I'll see you on 75. Okay, bye bye.